For 50 years, peranema was thought to be a long-necked protist organism like Dileptus or Lacrimaria. However, Dujardin recognized its correct identity as a flagellate in 1841 and named it peranema. Even now, however, both botanists and protistologists claim the name peranema for a different species, botanists for a fern, and protozoologists for the protist. Peranema is a euglenid protist, noted for its long primary locomotor flagellum. Peranema has a number of recognizable internal structures in addition to its primary flagellum, including a reservoir with flagellar kinetosomes, a pair of cytopharyngeal rod organs, multiple cytoplasmic starch granules, and, of course, a nucleus and nucleolus. It also has a second, shorter flagellum, which is concealed in a groove on its ventral surface. Both of peranema's flagella originate from basal bodies located in the flagellar pocket, which is also known as the reservoir. The body of peranema varies from 40 to 70 microns in length. The posterior end of the body is flattened crosswise and smoothly rounded at the sides. The anterior end is tapered and narrow. The long anterior flagellum is said to be emergent because it extends or emerges directly from the cell anteriorly. It is thickest close to the body of the organism and becomes progressively finer along its length. The terminal portion is typically constantly in motion, exhibiting hook formation or twisting gyrations. Forward movement is largely determined by the propeller-like activity of the distal flagellar tip of the emergent flagellum. Note the pictorial content of the truncated red trapezoid. The camera has captured a wave of fluid agitation caused by the rapid movement of the flagellar tip. The video to follow graphically demonstrates several variations of this activity. It is obvious that the locomotor flagellum is twistable and highly flexible. Sometimes it gyrates so rapidly that it seems to spin itself into self-releasing knots. Note that when the organism is moving straight ahead, its body is flat and linear and glides like that of a swimming fish in a straight line, while performing a slight but definite lateral squirming motion. Similarly, when the organism is moving directly forward, the anterior flagellum is held directly ahead in a stiff, rigid manner, with only its tip moving actively. On the other hand, when peranema changes direction, it often constricts and bends its body, and complexly twists and gyrates its anterior flagellum in a series of motions which seem intended to facilitate the near total reversal of its course.